Hi there. If you know me, you know I love to teach you exactly how to style your hair, the same way that I do it in the salon for you. So it was important for me to get this tutorial out to you all and let you know exactly what it is that I do each visit when I'm prepping for a spring curling iron style. So I prepped the hair with a heat protectant, and this would be specific to your hair type. This would be something that we would have already gone over in the salon. If we haven't, please feel free to reach out and I can prescribe one to you. After I prep the hair with heat protectant, I then go in and put a root volumizer in the scalp area. And then I start to rough dry the hair upwards, and rather than smoothing the hair with a paddle brush or a round brush, I go ahead and I just use my hands to fluff and volumize and add texture to those ends so that the hair isn't too smooth and the cuticle isn't closed, allowing that hair to not accept the curl. It's important to remember that taking clean sections allows you to have a clean, finished end result, and that working from the bottom of the hair and working your way up allows you to drop those unfinished pieces on top while the existing hair is able to cool. As you can see here, take note on the way that I'm turning the barrel. In one way, I'm turning it away from the face, and then in the next section, I'm turning it towards the face. As I've made my way to the top section, I'm directing all of the curls away from my face. That way, none of the hairs turn inward and leaving you frustrated and feeling as if the style is disheveled and unmanageable. Turning the iron both away from the face and towards the face allows for a more tousled appearance. The curl or the wave will not bunch together and smooth together. If you're looking for a smoother look, it's important to direct all of the curls or waves in the same direction. And so you can see I'm taking an underneath section and turning that towards the face. And then as I work towards that top layer, I'm going to direct all the hair back away from the face. Holding that iron vertically, leaving those ends out, you'll release and pull downward. After the style's finished, allow to cool, go ahead and put your makeup on, do any touch-ups that you need to do. Drop your head back or flip your head forward, upside down, and spray with whatever type of spray you feel comfortable with, whether that be stronghold or flexible. It's all going to be fitted to your desired end result. And then I like to just spread my fingers, and I just call it bear crawling through. You just want to rake your fingers spread apart through the hair in a downward vertical motion so that it separates everything evenly.